Yes. So I am very confident that today's function is going to be a hit. Do you know the reason why? Okay. The first reason is because I have the lovely audience. Second reason, we have the best performances for tonight who have worked so hard to make sure that you are getting entertained for tonight. So can I hear a round of applause for our performers for tonight? Also, we have good-looking, beautiful host, Arnavaz and Jaya. So can I hear a round of applause for our host for tonight? And the most important thing, to make this event a huge success, trust me, the whole committee, the Tiranga committee, has worked since from last 1 month, and we all have classes and projects and deadlines and submissions, but we make sure that we spend at least an hour a week and make sure that everything is organized, whether it's managing with food, coming up with the titles, or coming up with the theme, the decoration, the beautiful decoration we have. So I would like you to put your hands together for the entire Tiranga committee. Also, I would like to recognize over here our guest for tonight, who is Mr. John Bryan. He is the CEO and the founder of Culture Works at Richmond Center, and in past he has been the Associate Dean for VCU School of Arts. So can I have a huge round of applause for our guest for tonight? Thank you so much. And I know that you all are eagerly waiting for the function to get started. So just giving you an overview for what Tiranga has done during the last 1 year. I'll not take more than 2 minutes. Trust me. Tiranga has mainly organized 3 type of activities. The one is organizing the cultural events, like one in the month of March and one in the month of October, and both the events were a huge success. Also, we had a freshers event in the month of fall, where the goal of organizing the freshers night is where the new students who have just arrived at VCU, they get to interact with the current student and they get help and tips of how to get adopted very quickly to the campus at VCU. And for the first time, in the month of January, we introduced 26th January event, which is Indian Republic Day celebration, and it was again a huge success. This was about the cultural part. Tiranga has also initiated sports meet, where the main goal was to promote the healthy lifestyle for students who are so busy in their studies. So we organized badminton tournament, wall climbing, and cricket tournament, and so on. Moving on to the third part, which is the philanthropic initiative taken by Tiranga, and Tiranga was successful in raising $300 at Festival of India, and part of the funds were donated to, it went to humanitarian endeavor. It helped to underprivileged kids in Ghana, and part of it was donated in India at McDevas. More details of it you will get to know within an hour, and hence this all things we have compiled in a newsletter which we release every year. So I would like to call upon stage our guest of honor tonight to unveil the newsletter. Can we have Mr. John Bryan? thank you once again for being our guest of honor. We'll be releasing our newsletter tonight at Tiranga's website. So, and yes, once again, can I hear a huge round of applause before the event gets started? Thank you.
Okay, so if we get back to continuing your crash course in the Big Fat Indian Wedding. So since you saw the dance by the committee members, I expect you to know the 3 elements that they presented. Can someone tell me? Oh God, the food has done really started working. So the 3 elements that they introduced was band, baja, barat. Okay, now the committee members did the barat part of the wedding. So now it's time for the band baja. Don't you all want to listen to some music? Yes. So next up, we have an amazing, mesmerizing and enthralling performance by the band Omnipresent. Yes. Omnipresent is a band that has been recently formed a few years back, but they're a mix of people from various genres of music. They've had varying years of experience and they're just fantastic. I mean, we heard them during the rehearsal and we were floored. So I'd like to call upon Omnipresent up on stage, Daksha and his team.